Drove the Caddy to the store yesterday. Feel kind of funny, man. It was idling, kind of shaking. I already knew. That's a misfire. So, I already got the engine light on because I didn't get around to changing that O2 sensor. I already got the scanning tool hooked up. I had already checked it though. Like I said, man, number 8 got a misfire. Number 8. The cool thing about that, got 2 extra brand new ones in the trunk. And also, it's right on the front, on the right hand side on the driver's side, all the way in the front. It'll take me 2 minutes to change. Sweet. Alright. Number 8. And this is coil number 8 right there. One screw, take it out, pop it in, put the screw back in, pull off, keep pushing. Yeah.